my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine and I am back with a Dollar General haul. So yeah, I needed a few things and I wanted to go see if they had any fun things or things that I may need that I didn't know I needed. So let's get started. So I have run out of tissues. So I needed some tissues, and these are Smart Care Premium Soft Tissues. These were $1, and they had all kinds of cute designs. I didn't look through them. I just picked the first ones that were, at the front. And let's see, there's 120 two-ply tissues in here. Now they say they're premium, so let's go ahead and open one and see if they are. Oh, getting the first one out is always the hardest. Okay, here we go. So they aren't super soft, I have to say, but they are soft enough. Yeah, these are fine. So I'm glad I found those. And I got 2 of them at $1 a piece. I'll keep one in the living room. I'll keep one in here for when I put my makeup on. The next thing is by Pure Protein. It's the Pure Protein bars. And these are peanut butter. And these were on clearance for $4.80. And you get 6 of them in here. Oh, interesting. I didn't know this. It says, for adults, for best results, drink 8 ounces of water or other liquid with this bar. Now, I have to tell you, I never knew that you should drink something when you have one of these bars. And let's take a look what they look like. I've had them before. They're pretty good. I do like to eat bars when I'm hungry. Here they are, 200 calories, 20 grams of protein, 2 grams of sugar. Perfect. And they're peanut butter. You can't go wrong with that, right? The next thing is by Crest. It is 3D White Brilliance with hydrogen peroxide. This is advanced whitening. This is a 3-ounce tube, and it was $7.50. But let me tell you, this stuff is great. It really whitens your teeth, and using this product in conjunction with your favorite whitening strips for your teeth, you're going to have nice white teeth. Now, mine aren't sparkling white by any means, but they have become quite a bit whiter since I've used the white strips with this. So I highly recommend that little tooth routine. And let's take a look at the tube. They have a variety of flavors, and this one is fresh mint, and it comes like that. Just like that. And I really like it. Now that was all for bag number 1. Bag number 2, I have, let's turn it over. I have an auto washing mitt. Now this was $5.95. It has a soft side, kind of like a microfiber, and then it has a scrubby side. And you just slip your hand in and you wash your car. Now, this can be used to clean and wash any boat, car, or RV. The wash mitt can be cleaned and reused again and again. And it can be used for drying applications as well. And you just wash in warm water and hang dry. But the reason I got this is because we have an SUV with, most SUVs has a flat back. And we live on a dirt road. And all the dirt lands on the back of the car. The rest of the car is clean, but the back of the car is a disaster. So I got this so you can dust off the back, and that looks clean along with the rest of the car. So that's what I got that for. And then for $8.50 by Bellstrom, a forged pruner. I do have a set of pruners that are about 10 years old. They're not sharp anymore. The handle is slipping off, so it was definitely time to get a new one. It even says where to prune, the correct cutting angle, when to prune. So I'm going to have to read all of that, get a little bit more pruning knowledge. Then our pumice stone that I like to keep in the shower broke, and so we needed a new one. I like to use this in the shower when I'm towards the end of the shower, when my feet have had enough time to soften. Then I use this to get all of the extra skin off my heels. I love these things. This was $2.35, and it's a really big one. It's a lot bigger than normal ones, so might be easier to use. Yeah. Then, by True Living Essentials, I got a folding step stool. It's convenient. It has a convenient carrying handle, folds flat for easy storage, and it's a non-skid surface for safety. Well, it has little nubbies on it, but I wouldn't say that it's non-skid, but I understand. And I got this. Let's open it up. Look at that. That's cool. Oh, it snaps in place, but there we go. Just a little step stool. Now, I got this for being in the shower. It's kind of funny. It's getting harder for me to hike my leg up on the side of the shower to shave my legs. So I thought sitting might be easier. So I got this to be in the shower, and then when I'm not using it, see how easy it is to fold away. Very easy. Look at that. This was $6.50, and I think it's well worth it. It'll help me out. It won't be quite so hard for me to shave. The things we go through, right? And that's all I got at Dollar General this time, and I thought I would share that with you. I'm glad that you came by today. I do hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.